So here we have an unusual graph. This is not a function because we get two values for y for a value of x, and it's going to be an absolute value. But what you normally think of is an absolute value looking like this. And because of that +1, we would imagine that it just gets shifted up 1 unit. And so the answer would be quadrants 1 and 2. But this is not what we have. That would be y equals the absolute value of x plus 1. Instead, we have the absolute value of y plus 1. So if you were to think about that, well, if y was 1, we would get 1 plus 1, x would be 1. Or sorry, x would be 2. If y was -1, we get the absolute value of -1 is 1. 1 plus 1, x would be 2. So an x value of 2 goes to both +1 on the y and -1 on the y, here and here. If y is 0, right, the absolute value is 0, it's not positive or negative, we get 0 plus 1, x equals 1. So we actually get this spot here. What that tells us is that this is the graph we're looking at. You can, of course, test more values if you want, but this is only in quadrants 1 and quadrants 4. That's going to be D.